1. Introduction to IT Project Management. Overview of Project Management in the IT Industry. Overview of Project Management in the IT Industry. This module introduces the importance of project management in the IT sector and explains how it differs from project management in other industries. It covers the significance of effective project management in achieving project goals, delivering value to stakeholders, and ensuring successful project outcomes. Roles and responsibilities of an IT project manager. Roles and responsibilities of an IT project manager. This section delves into the specific roles and responsibilities of an IT project manager. It explores the leadership and managerial skills required to effectively plan, execute, and deliver IT projects. Topics include stakeholder management, team coordination, resource allocation, risk management, and communication. Project management methodologies and frameworks. In the IT industry, various project management methodologies and frameworks are used, depending on the nature and requirements of the project. Some commonly used methodologies include Key Project Management Principles and Concepts. Key Project Management Principles and Concepts. This segment covers essential principles and concepts that underpin successful project management in the IT industry. It includes topics such as project scope management, time and cost estimation, quality management, change management, and project governance. Learners gain an understanding of these core concepts and their practical application in IT projects. 2. Project initiation and planning. Defining project objectives, scope, and deliverables. Defining project objectives, scope, and deliverables. This involves clearly identifying the project's goals, desired outcomes, and the specific scope of work. It includes defining the boundaries of the project, determining what is included and what is excluded, and establishing the project's deliverables or tangible results. Stakeholder identification and management. Stakeholder identification and management. Identifying stakeholders and understanding their interests, expectations, and influence on the project is essential for project success. This step involves identifying all individuals or groups affected by the project, analyzing their needs, and developing strategies to effectively engage and manage their involvement throughout the project lifecycle. Developing project charters and business cases. Developing project charters and business cases. A project charter outlines the project's purpose, objectives, stakeholders, and high-level scope. It serves as a formal authorization for the project to proceed. Additionally, a business case provides a justification for undertaking the project by highlighting its expected benefits, costs, and risks. Developing both the project charter and business case helps ensure alignment with organizational objectives and secures necessary resources and support. Creating project plans and work breakdown structures. Creating project plans and work breakdown structures. WBS project planning involves breaking down the project scope into manageable tasks and activities. This is achieved through the development of a work breakdown structure, WBS, which organizes and defines the project's work elements. Project plans are then created, outlining the sequence of activities, dependencies, timelines, resource requirements, and other essential aspects of the project.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.